we just realized that it's gonna freeze tonight, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna hurry and get our pumpkins and our grapes, and hopefully the other stuff will be good still tomorrow. Like we have potatoes, carrots, and beets. What else do we have? Is that all?
Broccoli.
Broccoli? Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna hurry and get those things. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go get our pumpkins.
Yeah.
So we still have quite a few. We have some white ones. You guys excited? And then we're gonna sell them? Hopefully. Yeah, there's there.
Benson! Benson!
Oh dear, that one's tiny. Okay, put 'em-
That one's a squash.
we're gonna fill this up.
Pick him up. I'm cutting. Pick him up.
Put it in the barrel. Good job. Okay, put them in. Put it in. Wherever. Okay, Jackson, go pick one up. Oh, I like that one. That's a good one
I like
to eat.
this one.
Yummy? Huh? Okay, Jackson. Look at that one. That one's cool. Got it, Jackson? Holy cow, it's cold. You guys cold?
Yeah.
Okay, we're cutting a big one.
The biggest big.
Holy
Oh
crap.
my goodness, that one's big. Alright, keep picking up.
Okay, so here's all the pumpkins. Look at this one. I like this one.
The wart one.
Just one. And then that's full. That is full. We have a lot of green ones because planted them too late. 2 weeks too late, Jackson?
Yeah.
Oh, that's our ginormous one.
2 weeks too late.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, here are pretty much all of our pumpkins.
Benson has the last
This pile we're keeping, and this pile we're gonna try and sell. Okay, we're gonna hurry and get our Concord grapes.
Oh yeah. Open that bag up, please.
Getting dark.
Open that bag up, please, Jasmine.
Okay, so we're still going at it. They are so yummy. And I asked Blake, why did we wait till the last minute to pick them?
You're supposed to.
What did you say?
You're supposed to. You're supposed to wait till they're just ready and then pick them.
And then it's like getting late. Kids are cold.
What did I tell the kids? Go put on a coat.
Okay, so here's our harvest of grapes. So excited. Thanks, Ben.
You're welcome.
Hi, Jackson. Oh, you chopped them? For harvesting? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of beets.
Hi.
Hi, onions. Holy cow, that's a lot of
Wow.
beets.
Yeah, look at those beets.
There was one.
There's a couple big ones.
There was one that was. Oh yeah.
That one's bigger than
That's
your
right.
brain.
Wait, that's your hair, Jones.
Look.
Holy cow.
Look at the size compared to Benson's head.
I know.
Chin up, boy.
Not gonna touch you. Yeah.
Those are big.
Bigger than your people.
Stop. Look at these ones.
Pretty big.
Jackson said tickle your pickle
right
for
here.
nickel.
Okay. Look at all the veggies.
Tickle your pickle for nickel.
Stop it.
Doo-doo-doo.
Yeah, look at this.
Mama, look how skinny it is.
Okay, that one you don't need to put it in. Good size. The garden grows so big.
Another big one.
Oh wow. Look at all of our veggie. Ricky. Hi. So here are our vegetables that we harvested. Hey. We're going to the pumpkin walk.
Yay! She's holding her sleep. Look at mommy.
Look at me, say cheese.
Now, which